In a world where power is engineered, not inherited, one aircraft stands at the peak of industrial dominance. Forged in stealth black armor, powered by Vortex engines, and designed for the corporate elite, this is the Koch Industries Aero Titan V1, an intercontinental powerhouse built for Julia Koch, where industrial strength meets futuristic intelligence.
The Aero Titan V1 is wrapped in a stealth black armored shell, absorbing radar, deflecting turbulence, and projecting the industrial power of Koch Industries. The aircraft's angular Titan frame nose cuts through wind resistance with military precision, engineered for aggressive long-range performance. Vortex flow engines spin with industrial force, energy-efficient, hyper-quiet, and built to push the Aero Titan V1 across oceans non-stop. Every window is fortified with anti-surveillance dark glass, blocking drones, scanners, and external thermal imaging. With a 9,200 nautical mile range, the Aero Titan V1 crosses continents without pause, engineered for Julia Koch's global corporate command. A turbulence reduction shield stabilizes the aircraft using predictive force mapping, delivering military-level steadiness at any altitude. Titan Forge wings carry reinforced load-bearing struts, engineered for extreme stress resistance during high-speed transcontinental travel. A nano-coated heat diffusion skin regulates temperature, dissipating friction heat formed at high Mach performance. A secure crypto core enables encrypted communication, allowing undisruptible contact with Koch Industries headquarters worldwide. Inside, a full-scale executive boardroom sits at the heart of the aircraft, featuring a holographic table for live global strategic meetings.
The Holo Command Table displays live market data, global energy grids, and corporate intel, making mid-flight board meetings fully operational. Titan Shield monitors all digital channels, creating an adaptive firewall strong enough to block corporate espionage attempts mid-air. Silent Stride landing gear deploys with zero noise, reinforced with shock absorption hydraulics for ultra-smooth landings on global runways. Shadow line masking reduces the jet's thermal signature, making the Aero Titan V1 nearly invisible to heat-based surveillance systems. A temperature-controlled corporate vault chamber protects sensitive documents, prototypes, and digital assets during international travel. The pressure regulation grid quiets airflow throughout the cabin, creating a silent environment suitable for corporate negotiations. Night vision windows allow Julia Koch to see through darkness using passive low-light amplification built directly into the glass layers. Redline lighting shifts the cabin atmosphere from negotiation mode to relaxation mode, balancing psychological tones for productivity. Titan Pilot AI processes wind patterns, jet streams, and storm clusters, guiding the Aero Titan V1 with industrial-grade precision. In emergencies, the aircraft activates lockdown mode, sealing doors, encrypting systems, and securing every cabin section instantly.
Running through the aircraft is the Deep Core Power Spine, a reinforced industrial energy rail that stabilizes power flow across all major systems. Red spectrum sensors track passenger stress, cabin humidity, and productivity, adjusting lighting and climate to optimize corporate focus. Carbon mesh flooring blends strength with subtle luxury, resistant to pressure, heat, and years of cross-continental corporate travel. Entry gates use quantum-secure biometrics, scanning fingerprints, pulse signatures, and thermal patterns for maximum identity verification. A vortex chamber nullifier redirects turbulent frequencies, making the cabin soundproof even during storms. The dark matter UV shield protects passengers from high-altitude radiation using a layered molecular defense matrix in the hull. Titan Rest loungers transform into work, rest, or zero-pressure modes, supporting long-haul productivity for Julia Koch's global missions. Iron Wave climate equalization distributes temperature evenly, eliminating hot spots and cold zones during 14 to 16-hour flights. Black steel privacy screens rise from the floor with silent precision, creating private zones for confidential discussions. The Global Watch Suite scans airspace, weather, and geopolitical activity, ensuring every route is strategically secure.
Titan Lock magnetic seals secure every door with industrial-grade force, creating an airtight, soundproof corporate fortress mid-air. The zero-trace exhaust system erases heat signatures and tail emissions, leaving almost no trace behind the Aero Titan V1. An iron dome grid disperses lightning strikes instantly, protecting the aircraft during severe industrial-tier thunderstorms. A hidden red sector room functions as a private operations hub, equipped with secure hollow screens and encrypted intelligence channels. Gravity-soft thrusters cushion landings with micro-adjusted downward force, giving the Aero Titan V1 a velvet-smooth touchdown. Steel Shadow detects and neutralizes unauthorized drones, shielding Julia Koch from surveillance threats anywhere in the world. In critical situations, Black Titan AI takes control, executing a perfectly balanced emergency descent smoother than human pilots. Secure Link uses quantum encryption beams, enabling ultra-secure communication between the aircraft and Koch headquarters at any distance. The command HUD overlays speed, wind force, market alerts, and global news, merging aviation data with real-time corporate intelligence. When the Aero Titan V1 prepares for takeoff, its hull emits a faint red Titan glow, a symbol of industrial strength and global corporate power.